I have tried to offer as much as I can in the online course. The course is characterized by indications on the placing of the steps to form a firm base for the upper trunk to rotate. The angles of the body indicate the extent in the rotation. The perfect postures for the different stances are illustrated in detail. The essentials for the head, neck, shoulders, elbows, chest, back, waist, hips, knees, and feet have been carefully demonstrated. The instructions are clear and precise. However, practitioners have to follow as closely as possible. Every word counts. Tiny gestures do matter. Gestures like size of the circles, angle of the body and the steps, alignment of the knees, feet, and shoulders, and even the palm shape, and many more. They all are an important part to the training. Once into the form, the smooth momentum manifests the effectiveness of the training. Beginners will find the form easy to follow and the instructions comprehensive. The advanced levels will appreciate enigmas resolved. The practice of the form will deepen the accomplishment. Familiarizing with this form will lead to breakthroughs in other practices. Over the years, I have had feedbacks from students and other sifus that this form is enjoyable. Many practitioners of this form find pains from old injuries gone after practicing for some time. I named this Tai Chi form as Immortals Crossing the Sea, a popular Taoist legend among the commons since the ancient time, to show my gratitude to the Tao, which I have learned from. The stanzas in this Tai Chi form include quotes of the legendary stories of the immortals to reflect their wisdom in nature and human nature.